Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to this question, we have to solve the given equation and find the value of z. So the equation is 6 upon z plus 2 upon 10 plus 8 upon 1000 plus 4 equals 4.214. So 6 upon z plus 2 upon 10 can be written in decimal form as 0.2. Similarly, 8 upon 1000 can be written in decimal form as 0.008, and then we have plus 4, which is equals 4.214. Okay, so 6 upon z plus 4 plus 0.2 will become 4.2, and 4.2 plus 0.008 will give us 4.208, which is equals 4.214. Now shift the constant to the right hand side, so it will become 4.214 minus of 4.208. So 6 upon z will be equals 0.006. Now cross multiply z, and so we will have 6 equals 0.006 z. What we have done is we have simply multiplied z to both sides of the equality. So in the left hand side z and z will cancel out each other, and in the right hand side we are going to have this. Now divide both sides of the equality by 0.006. So z will be equal 6 upon 0.006. So it can be written as 6 upon 6 upon 1000. So 6 and 6 will cancel out each other, and we will have 1000. So the value of z will be equals 1000. So z equals 1000 is the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.